So today is the 10th of April, and the last day that I traded was 8th of February. So it's been more than a month that I have not traded, and actually the reason being, from 8th of February I was busy. After 8th of February I went out of the station. I had some work, my personal work, and which ended it almost March. So I thought of trading from April. So today the first trade. Today actually market opened a little bit up, and I had marked this support zone, and I got Nifty somewhere here, but I was hoping it would fall a little bit more on the downside. Then I would enter in a C trade, but I missed it. So I entered here exactly at this point, 658 in this candle. I entered at this green candle here. This is the green candle that I entered, and this at a PE trade, and this red line was my SL. This red line was my SL, and my SL got hit, and I immediately exited my trade. So from 658 till 681, 22 points I gave to the index. I booked my loss of 200 rupees, and then again I entered at this point, at this candle, red candle here. I waited for the confirmation, and 90, this is a weekly resistance. So I waited for this confirmation, then I entered here, and my entry point was 17,678, and my SL was 17,689, which was the high of the previous high. But Nifty didn't went above my SL, and since then it is falling down. By the time Nifty got here, it was showing in my P&L that I was having 500 rupees profit. Apart, just the previous trade, I had booked a 200 rupees loss. So in this trade, it was showing me around 490, 500 rupees profit. But I thought of not booking it, because this line here, 17,601, this was yesterday's last trading day's closing. So Nifty is trying to take support from here, but since this is a parallel channel in which Nifty is traveling for a very long time, and it is at the top of the parallel channel. That is the setup that I am using. Since it is at the top of the parallel channel, so I am considering a downward move or a PE trade, because I am near resistance, as simple as that. And I am still holding my position. Maybe if it gets below this line, the closing of yesterday, 17,600, if Nifty is able to break this line, then this will be my next target. But this is my resistance. As soon as it goes above this line, then I'll immediately 658, I'll immediately exit. But I'm trying to train my brain in probability, because it doesn't make me a bad trader if I lose a trade, or it doesn't make me a good trader if I win a trade. Just that my variables are fixed, and let market go wherever it want to go, and I'll book or exit accordingly. So as per the option chain, 17,600 is showing a strong resistance for this expiry, as well as there are a lot of put writers also at 17,600, but they all added on today. So 1 lakh contracts, more than 1 lakh contracts had been added on today. So in case I carry it, I'm expecting Nifty to fall below 500 tomorrow or day after tomorrow, because I'm in a PE trade of 17,500 and my average buying price is 20. So have not decided yet. Let's see. And every time in my brain it's coming, oh, it should fall below, it should go down, it should break all supports and go down so that I could make huge profits. What about I missed the 500 rupees because here it showed 500 rupees profit and now it is showing me 70 rupees loss because of this pullback here. So but I am telling my brain every time to stay focused on the process, and I'll do the 5 mile. Trying to do the 5 mile test. Like I'll do 20 trades and see the results of the 20 trades so that my brain can be accustomed with the concept that this is a game of probability, and there is nothing secured here, nothing fixed here in this market. So let's see. So market is about to close and I have exited from my position at around 17,622. So my stop loss was from 10 points and I could capture almost 54 points I could capture, which gave me a profit of around 150 rupees, which is equivalent to my charges, my demat charges, because I have taken 2 trades today. And this was the last candle, so I couldn't wait. I had to book. Otherwise, Nifty was consolidating here for a very long time. Though I am expected to see a downfall, downward move, but I'll again enter in a trade tomorrow. I thought of carrying it, but then again I thought that if Nifty opened somewhere here and the whole day it consolidated, then I would have lost my premiums. So this was my SL of 10 points approximately. Then I trailed my SL here, giving me 40 points difference, and then I booked here. So 50 points, 55 points I gained from this trade. And Nifty market is closed. So Nifty closed above 600, 17,600. So yesterday also it closed above 17,600. Today also it closed above 17,600. So the funny thing is in the daily candle, because in the daily candle Nifty has made one doji. Yeah, and it has entered inside the parallel channel here. the wicks is out of the, as in this candle, the wicks is out and the body is inside. So it has done the same here also. The wicks is out and the body is inside. So my brain is telling me that if I could have booked here, then I would have made 500 rupees profit. But it's okay that I was not able to book here. And this was my proper setup that I entered. I was stopped out, then again I entered. Second time I was not stopped out. Then it came, it took support here. Actually, the mistake that I did was I didn't calculated my risk to reward ratio, because if I would have exited here, then I would have easily got a risk to reward ratio of 1:8 or more than 1:8. But here only I got a risk to reward ratio of 1:4. But since it is options, so the time decay, I have to bear all the time decay. And as soon as it went up, consolidated, even if I could get 50 points, but it was only equivalent to 150 rupees. So doesn't matter. I'm not looking for the monetary gains here, but I want to train my brain to think in terms of probability, how probability works, and stuff like that, so that my emotions don't take control of me while trading. So that's it. From say 8th of February till 10th of April, I have not traded, and so I can trade this month hopefully. Let's see what happens.